Welcome to Easy Stock Market, your one-stop resource for all things Indian stock market. Today, we'll delve into the basics, the possibilities for the Indian stock market in 2024. The possibilities for the Indian stock market in 2024 are a mixed bag with both upside potential and downside risks. Here's a breakdown of the major factors to consider. Optimistic factors. Robust domestic economy. India's economy is projected to remain resilient in 2024, supported by strong domestic consumption, government spending, and a gradual recovery in private investments. This steady growth could fuel corporate earnings and investor confidence. Favorable market sentiment. The pre-election rally in 2023 might continue, further bolstering the market. Potential rate cuts by the central bank could provide additional stimulus. Focus on infrastructure. Infrastructure development remains a top priority for the government, which could benefit sectors like construction, materials, and capital goods. Diversified investor base. With reduced dependence on foreign institutional investors, FIIs, the market might be less susceptible to global headwinds. Cautious factors. Global slowdown. A potential global recession in the second half of 2024 could dampen investor appetite and affect export-oriented sectors. Geopolitical tensions. Ongoing geopolitical conflicts could exacerbate energy price volatility and disrupt global trade, impacting the Indian market. Inflationary pressures. Rising inflation could lead to further tightening of monetary policy, potentially slowing economic growth and corporate earnings. Valuation concerns. Some experts believe the market is currently overvalued, raising the risk of a correction in the near future. Investment strategies. Sector rotation. Consider focusing on sectors less vulnerable to global headwinds, such as consumer staples, pharmaceuticals, and IT. Focus on fundamentals. Choose companies with strong fundamentals, healthy balance sheets, and resilient earnings growth potential. Diversification. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes to mitigate risk. Long-term view. Consider investing with a long-term perspective to ride out short-term volatility. The possibilities for the Indian stock market in 2024, particularly in the public sector, are multifaceted and depend on various factors. Here's a breakdown of some potential scenarios. Positive possibilities. Strong economic growth. If the projected strong economic growth continues, India's GDP is expected to grow at around 6 to 7% in 2024. This can lead to increased profitability and dividend payouts for public sector companies, boosting their stock prices. Government reforms. Continued government focus on reforms like privatization, infrastructure development, and digitization can benefit select public sector companies operating in these areas. Additionally, policy initiatives promoting domestic demand and manufacturing can also be positive. Favorable global conditions. Easing global inflation and a weaker US dollar could attract foreign investments into Indian markets, including public sector stocks. Monsoon performance. A normal monsoon season is crucial for the Indian economy, especially agriculture. Good rains can improve rural demand and overall economic activity, potentially benefiting various public sector companies. Challenges and risks. Geopolitical tensions, ongoing global conflicts, and their impact on oil prices and supply chains can create market volatility and negatively affect public sector companies. Interest rate hikes. If the global interest rate scenario changes and rates rise again, it could dampen market sentiment and lead to corrections, impacting public sector stocks as well. Political uncertainty. The upcoming Lok Sabha elections in 2024 can introduce pre-election volatility and policy uncertainty, potentially impacting market performance. Company-specific factors. Public sector companies have diverse performance and depend on individual factors like management effectiveness, debt levels, and sector headwinds. Overall, the Indian stock market, including the public sector, holds diverse possibilities for 2024. While strong economic growth and continued reforms present opportunities, significant challenges like geopolitical tensions and rate hikes can also influence market movements. Careful analysis of individual companies, economic factors, and global trends is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Remember, it's impossible to predict the market with certainty. These are just some of the possibilities, and individual stocks and sectors will perform differently. Always conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. For further inquiries, feel free to leave a comment.